As soon as all your payroll has been finalised for the tax year, your year-end reports can be completed. To access your year-end reports, select the HMRC tab. If you would like to review your P32 Employer Payment Record before processing your year-end returns, simply click the P32 button on the HMRC toolbar. Month 12 on the P32 will indicate the total amount of tax and NIC still outstanding to HMRC, if any. To access your P35 and P14 reports, select the P35 P14s option on the toolbar. Complete the checklist required for your P35 submission by answering each question accordingly. In the Additional Information section, complete any fields relevant to the company. The information you provide here will also be included in your P35 return. If you would like to review or print your P35 and P14s before submitting them to HMRC, this can be done by selecting the Print tab. Options available are to print a complete return incorporating both employer and employee details, a P35 Part Return Only, or a P14 Part Return Only. If you wish to print a P14 Part Return Only, you will also be given the option to choose which employees you wish to print a P14 for. On selecting one of the three options, the report type you have chosen will be displayed on screen for viewing. Should you wish to print this, simply click the Print button at the top of the report. Please note that for most employers, HMRC now require that the P35 and P14s are filed electronically. Therefore, printed copies of these reports are for your reference only. In the event that amendments are needed to either employer or employee details, these can be corrected before submission to HMRC. This can be done by returning to the relevant screen and section where the amendment is to be made. For example, to correct an employee's national insurance number, simply return to the employee's record and choose the Tax and NIC tab. Amend accordingly and save the changes. When ready to submit your P35 and your employee's P14s to HMRC, select the Send to HMRC tab within the P35 P14 function. You will be given the option to send a complete return, incorporating both your employer and employee details, to send a P35 Part Return Only, or to send a P14 Part Return Only. Although it is recommended by HMRC that a complete year-end return is sent, it is possible to submit part of your year-end return followed by the remainder at a later date. After making your selection, click Start on the next screen to begin the submission. Response messages will be displayed on screen during the submission. As soon as the file is received and accepted by HMRC, a success response will be displayed. When ready to print your employee's P60s, simply select P60 on the HMRC toolbar. On the P60 certificate screen, you will be given the option to select which employee's P60s you wish to print. On making your selection, click OK. Each P60 will be displayed on screen for review. To print, simply click the Print button at the top of the screen.